Asteroid Oumuamua, the interstellar visitor. Scientists were stunned in 2017 when they spotted the first object from outside our solar system passing through. Named Oumuamua, which means scout in Hawaiian, this asteroid looked like a long, cigar-shaped rock, up to 400 meters long, but very thin. It didn't have a tail like a comet, yet it sped up slightly as it left, as if something invisible was pushing it. Researchers still debate what caused that extra push. Maybe outgassing or solar radiation pressure. Its strange shape and origin completely changed how we think about objects visiting our neighborhood from other stars.
Asteroid 2, Bennu. When NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft arrived at asteroid Bennu in 2018, scientists expected a smooth, sandy surface. Instead, they found it covered in giant boulders, like a rough construction site. Even more shocking, Bennu was actively ejecting small rocks and particles into space, something no one predicted for such a small asteroid. Later, when the spacecraft brought back samples in 2023, scientists discovered rich organic molecules, including amino acids, the building blocks of life, and surprising minerals that formed in salty water. Bennu showed us that asteroids can be more active and chemically complex than we ever imagined, and they might have delivered key ingredients for life on Earth.
Asteroid 3, Ryugu, the spinning top shape with ancient secrets. Japan's Hayabusa 2 mission visited Ryugu, a near-Earth asteroid that looks like a spinning top with a raised ridge around its middle. Scientists were surprised by how loose and rocky its surface was, almost like a pile of gravel held together weakly by gravity. Samples brought back revealed it formed from the leftovers of a bigger parent body that was smashed apart long ago. Like Bennu, it also contained water-bearing minerals and organic compounds. The biggest shock? These asteroids suggest that watery, carbon-rich bodies were common in the early solar system and could have helped seed life on our planet. Asteroid 4, Apophis, the doomsday asteroid that got a second look. Discovered in 2004, asteroid Apophis caused real alarm because early calculations showed it had a small chance of hitting Earth in 2029. Named after the Egyptian god of chaos, it made scientists rethink planetary defense. Later observations ruled out any impact risk for 2029 and the next century, but its close pass will still be a huge opportunity. In 2029, Apophis will come closer than some of our satellites, within 32,000 kilometers of Earth. Astronomers plan to study it up close as it flies by, learning how gravity from Earth might change its path. It shocked everyone by reminding us how important it is to track near-Earth objects carefully. Asteroid 5. Ceres. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, almost 950 kilometers wide. When NASA's Dawn spacecraft arrived, scientists were amazed to find bright white spots in its craters that turned out to be salty deposits. Even more surprising, Ceres has signs of a subsurface ocean or slushy layer of water ice and possible cryovolcanoes that erupt with salty water. It's the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system and shows that even asteroids can have complex geology with liquid water. This changed our view of how many worlds in the solar system might have had oceans in the past. Asteroid 6, Dinkinesh. In 2023, NASA's Lucy spacecraft flew past a small asteroid called Dinkinesh in the main belt. Before the flyby, astronomers noticed the asteroid's brightness flickering strangely. The reason shocked them. Dinkinesh has a tiny moon, but that moon is actually two small rocks touching each other, forming a contact binary that looks like a peanut. This was the first time scientists saw such a double moon system around a small asteroid. It revealed that even tiny space rocks can have complex companions formed through gentle collisions or gravitational dances. Lucy's discoveries keep showing us how diverse and surprising asteroids really are. These 6 asteroids remind us that space is full of surprises. Every mission teaches scientists something new about how our solar system formed, how life might have started, and how to protect our planet. If this video helped you to learn something new, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share.